So make a roof slab with this half hip or half lowered, whatever name it is. That's not lowered. Cannot be that. Lowered is the other side. So then we make a roof. And I just done it. So I did 38 degree. And I have an overhang of 700. I will take that away. So I make by wall. Add roof by wall. Select this one, pressing shift. Select them all, one by one, and then I say finish, and I make the roof. Then I want to make the gable wall, the slope angle. I click here. Then I tap, and then you see now 38, but I want it to be 90, and it becomes a gable wall. So, then I want this lowered thing here. I make a rectangle that is 3 meters. Doesn't matter what it is on the other side. So take this, put in the V on the roof. What I did now? Control Z. I'm in hidden line. Yeah, I have already made this, but it becomes stupid when I should show the wall. So then I take this and this should now be in the viewpoint of this one. Why do I get over? I have a line. Okay. This, and V. I'll stand in the middle. Then I want to have some line. I have to take this line, put it on the V here, because I cannot snap to a point that is between the roof or roof slab and the rectangle. But now we're ready. So then I select this roof. You see here is a roof, and then I say convert to roof slab. So I select this. Sometimes we can see a small blink when it changed. So you select it now, you see those two roof slabs. Then I will draw a line from this intersection and 45 degrees. That will be 325. And similar from this intersection up here, and then it should be in 45 degrees. Something is wrong. Oh, V. To stop that. What's wrong inside this picture now? To be 45 degrees. That is 45. Then it's the other one. From V to 45. 315, not 25. So, delete that before it confuses me anymore. Now this is a roof slab, and on the roof slab I need to add a note here because I want to break it. Then select the edit tool. And I go and here and I'm pressing the control button, and I will add it. And then I take this and go into J on this one. We can never snap when we set this thing, so we have to do it later. And I do the same on this side. Just press the control and I'm adding this, and I move it up to J. Now I can take this. No, it's not so happy about vertex and intersection and stuff like that. So I will make a line Let's now stand in intersection here, and I need a line from this point and out here. Then I have 2 points I can use. So I select it again, the roof slab, and I take that point, putting over to J on this one, and I take escape, and I select this roof slab, take this and over to J in this. Now we have opened the roof, and we need to make one. So then I can take this one, just drag it in here to N, and I can convert this to roof slab also. That is the normal one. Convert to roof slab. Same thing. You don't barely see it, but it is. And then before we set this, we need to make sure what will be the where it will rotate about. Now it rotates about this, but we don't want that. We want it to rotate about here. Then I click on P1, and I mark this. Now I see the green line coming down. Then I take off P1. Then I can go and set the roof angle. That should be 38 degrees. And because this has been from a box straight up, then it will always have this square. We want to have it to be plumb. So I pressing the shift and I select it, then this menu coming up. I click there and say I want it to be plumb. And I select this one, escape, and this one, shift, and I say this also should be plumb. So, and I take this, I drag it down to J. I hardly never use, if I use intersection or vertex, then it will fly out there, it looks good. So then we have, what we have done now, we have like this, we might have it. Then I need to add, on that roof slab, I need to add the point. I'm pressing the control. And I'm moving that to J. I'll do that one. Now we have it. Then we have this. Then I can just delete. Press Control, and when there's already is a node there, you get the option to delete that node. And I get delete that node. I see this one didn't change, so I have to press on that one and say it should be plumb. Then I can delete this thing, and that, and I can go to this. Where did it end up? I deleted it. Control Z. Yeah, I deleted. This is what I want to delete. This is what I want to delete. Select this, and I'm pressing D and here, and V for vertex. And I move it down to here, to V. Now go to hidden line. And we have it ready. So, but then we should maybe have 70 overhang and 40 overhang. I go over to top, and I take wireframe, and select the editor. Roof slab, drag it out there. Then you will see down on here, delta E, it will go in minus. For me that will be positive, but not for the roof. So then we don't fight with that. Say 0 there, and I want to have 700. I don't know why it didn't go, but okay. Control Z, this to go out there. Tab 0 and minus 3 minus 700. That should go out. Select this roof slab, escape. This roof slab there. That will be positive 0 and 700. I can select it again and take this out here 400. Then it will be minus 400 0. Don't need this extra zeros, only something I do. It's a habit. This, and that will also then be minus 400. No, and I take this one. Take it out 400. Minus 400. So, and we have it on perspective again, and we go to hidden line. I was not correct. Yep. And I go up again, select this, drag this out, and I snap to that corner V. That should be okay. So what I want to show more was this thing. When we working with Roof Slab, normally we can say that the wall should be connected to the roof and it will flash over. But in this case it will not, because it's a roof slab. Then we need to use this Roof Slab wall modifier. So I select this one, I select the wall, and I select this. You see, and only follow on this one. And before I can select the next one, I need to hit escape. Then I select the wall and that Roof Slab, and then escape, and that again. Now it follows. So now we have what we wanted to see. We can say this should have a color, just to make the difference. I think I use it. This one maybe? Yeah. Then we go to draft window. And have, then that is made. You see, you follow the roof there. But it's important to remember this escape between each roof we choose when we're using the Roof Slab. I'm going to close this also. This. Now it follow. Nearly? No. Seems like they have done some improvement. Or is it? No, it not follow 100%, I think. So I take it one more time. Select that wall, and that roof. Now it should follow. I believe so. So that's it. How we made the Roof Slab. Quick and easy, so it's no big deal to do it. Only take a little bit.